Hello students, good morning and welcome back to our online classes. So, in today's class we are going to learn the second lesson of our English literature, that is Grandpa Farooq's Garden. What was the lesson name? Grandpa Farooq's Garden. So, who is the author? Matthew Khalil. Okay, first of all, before going to start the lesson, we'll learn some of the meanings of today's class. See the first meaning. What was that? Plucked. P-L-U-C-K-E-D. Plucked means picked fruits from where they were growing. What is the meaning? Picked fruits from where they were growing. Second one, my garden is dying. What is the meaning of that? All the flowers and fruits are dying, means drying up. Third one, closely. What is the meaning of closely? Carefully. Fourth one, pest. Pests, insects that eat plants. Next one, chipped off. Chipped off. Bitten off means bitten off. Eating the parts of a plant like leaves. Okay. Ladybirds. Ladybirds. Small round insects which are red with black spots on their. Okay. Small round insects which are red with black spots on them. Bugs means small insects. So we'll start the lesson. See, this is Grandpa Farooq's garden. Okay, this is Amir's favorite place. So here you can see, the grandfather is sitting on a chair and Amir is coming to grandfather. As you can see here, Amir loved the fruits and leaves, the flowers and the trees in the garden. Okay, he used to love them. He also loved spending time with the grandfather. Daily he used to come back from school and he used to come to the garden to spend some time with his grandfather. Okay. They worked together in the garden every week. They used to work every week in the garden. When they finished, they enjoy the fruits from the garden. They had the garden, so they are having fruits, flower trees, so they used to pluck the flowers and fruits from the garden. After completion of work in the garden, they used to sit and they used to have the fresh fruits from the garden. Next, one day Grandpa was very quiet. He was very sad. He is not talking to Amir. So he worked in the garden without saying a word. He is not even talking to Amir also. So they plucked the fresh fruits, but Grandpa did not eat any. What is the meaning of plucked? Picked the fruits from where they are growing. Okay, they plucked the fresh fruits, but the grandfather is not at all eating. So then, what's wrong, Grandpa? Asked Amir. What Amir is asking? What's wrong? So then Grandpa is saying, my garden is dying. Amir replied, Grandpa, what is the meaning of my garden is dying? All the flowers, plants in the garden are dying. He is saying that the garden is dying. Then, why do you think so? Asked Amir. Amir is asking, why you are thinking like that? So, Grandpa is saying that Look closely, said Grandpa. What he said? Look carefully. Okay, some pests are eating the plant. Okay, so what is the meaning of pest? Insects or animals that eat plants. So Amir looked at the leaves of the plant nearby. Half of the leaves had been chipped off. So what happened? As you can see the picture, no, the leaves has been eaten by some pest. Okay. So next, can't we do something to stop this? Asked Amir. What Amir is asking then? We cannot do anything to stop this. Okay. So then what Grandpa is saying? We need ladybirds, said Grandpa. What he said? We need ladybirds. What is the meaning of ladybirds? Small, round insects which are red with black spots. As you can see them on the screen, no? These are the ladybirds. So, we need ladybirds, said Grandpa. They are very useful bugs. What is the meaning of bugs? Small insects. They can eat these pests and save my garden. But where will I find them? Okay, so what Amir is saying, what Grandpa is saying, he is saying that they will eat the pest and save my garden. The ladybugs will eat the pest. But where will I find them? Amir is asking. Where I can find them? Okay, so we'll continue the lesson in the next class and we will come to know whether Amir had found them or not. Did he save his Grandpa Farooq's garden or not? Okay, students, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.